In this quick tutorial, I will show you Curvature Tool in Adobe Illustrator. So let's jump into this. I am in Adobe Illustrator. You can access Curvature Tool from here. Now, Curvature Tool create and edit curved and straight lines easily. So if you want to create curvy and straight lines easily, you can use this tool. So I am clicking here. Okay, you can check the circle and I am clicking here and now clicking here. Okay, and see when I am, it is automatically making curvy line. When I clicking creating another anchor point, it is automatically making curvy lines. But what about if I double click here? It is now corner point. I am clicking here and you can see this is corner point. Clicking here and it is also making corner point. You can easily move any anchor point and reshape the shape. You can see easily you can move. If you are not satisfied with the shapes, you can easily move this to any place until you satisfy. You can create another anchor point in the line, just clicking here and see. You can click here, creating anchor point and see. I am clicking here. If you hold on shift, then see it will be making either straight line or 45-degree angles increment lines. Okay, if I hold on alt, see it is making a straight line. So that was for this quick tutorial. If you like it, please subscribe my channel. Keep editing.